If you want to uninstall apps on Xiaomi 17, we actually have a couple of ways that allow you to do so. The first option is to simply go to the app drawer, and then you can press and hold your finger on the app that you want to uninstall. So let's say I'm gonna choose this one over here, and then you can just simply use this trash icon that we have available right after that, and then you want to confirm that you want to uninstall the app. And this is of course the first way to uninstall an app. Besides that, what you can also do is you can go to settings over here, scroll down and choose apps, and then from this list of course you can choose the app that you want to uninstall. So let's say I'm going to choose this one, and then at the bottom you can find the uninstall option. That is of course if it is possible to uninstall an app. In some cases we have the disable option instead. And the third option is to go to the security app. So if I go to the app drawer, over here we have the security app. Then you want to choose deep clean option, and in here you should be able to find uninstall apps. So let's go over here, and in this case you can actually select every app that you want to uninstall at once. So instead of uninstalling one by one, you can actually select multiple apps and then uninstall all of them with a single button over here. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.